In this video, we will learn how to change your building settings on Fortnite. In order to change the building settings in Fortnite, firstly we'll head into a game. After that, we'll press escape and go to the settings menu from the gear button. Now in order to change the keybinds, we'll click on the arrow keys on the middle section of our settings. In here we'll find all the keybinds of the game, but we need to head to the building section. So we can directly go to the building section from the left hand side by clicking on the building button. In here you will find all the keybinds of your building. So I have set my keybindings to a custom mapping. You can do this as well. You can change the keybind to wall, floor, stair, roof, build traps, place building, repair and upgrade, edit, and a whole lot of things. After you have changed your keybinds, you can just hit apply from your settings and go back to the game. After heading back to the game, you can test out your key bindings, like I have wall in Q. And by using the G button, I can edit it and make a door. And also I have my roof on 5 and my wall on Q. So this is how you can easily change your building settings and enjoy building in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.